In this lesson, we are going to talk about semicolons and var, but we will start with semicolons. Normally, we have been coding without adding semicolon to every statement. Normally, in Java, when you write a statement like this, you should add a semicolon at the end. Let me show you that JShell adds semicolon for you. Let's write a wrong statement. If you look at the error, you would notice that after the string, it added a semicolon for us. So normally when you write a statement, you should add a semicolon. You don't need to on JShell, but when we start coding proper in an IDE, you would need to do that. Now, when creating a variable, we normally state what type it is, int or string. In Java, you can use var. Now, when you use var, Java will find out what type that variable is depending on what value you give it. So now that x is 4, Java knows it's an integer. So if you later try to give the value of x and change it to a string, you get an error because Java is like, x is an integer because you told me it is 4. For example, if I create a variable and equate it to true, Java automatically will now know that this is a boolean. So I can't say a plus 3 because you can't add 3 to a boolean variable, which is true. So you can be using var instead of saying what the variable type is. Java will just find out what the type is when you use var.